Hey, what's going on everyone? Welcome to the second episode of Phone Politics News. Today we bring some exciting news for you. Stay tuned and keep watching this video till the end. My name is Sobik and welcome to Phone Politics. Let's get started. So the first news is coming from Samsung. Samsung is adding yet another model to its Galaxy M lineup. The company today announced the Galaxy M01s, an entry-level phone aimed to consumers in India. You might think the M01s is meant to replace the similarly named M01, but Samsung plans to sell the two phones alongside one another despite their relatively small differences. The highlight of the device is 6.2-inch HD Plus display that features one of the Samsung's Infinity V camera cutout. Despite some chin bezel, the phone has a decent screen-to-body ratio of 81.8%. Internally, the phone includes a MediaTek octa-core Helio P22 processor supported by 3GB of RAM. The 12nm chipset is less powerful than a Snapdragon 439 processor that incites the Galaxy M01. The next news is coming from POCO smartphones. A new POCO phone may launch in India soon. A phone with the model number of M2006C3MI has been spotted on Bureau of India Standards and the TUV Rainland websites. This model number is also associated with the recently launched Redmi 9C, and this indicates that the upcoming POCO phone may be just a rebadged version of the Redmi 9C. The company was recently embroiled in a controversy after it introduced the POCO M2 Pro with similar specification to the Redmi Note 9 Pro. So the third news is coming from Lenovo. Lenovo will be announcing the Lenovo Legion gaming phone that it has been teasing since December 2019. Earlier this week, the gaming smartphone was made available for reservation on JD.com, through which some of the key specs and features were revealed. Coming to the renders of the Legion Gaming Phone Pro, the handset can be seen sporting a display with a devoid of a notch or a punch hole. It offers symmetrical design with slim bezels at top and bottom. The red accents at the top and the bottom have two front-firing speakers. The fourth news is coming from YouTube itself. YouTube has finally re-enabled 1080p streaming in India. Back in March 2020, YouTube has limited the streaming quality of the videos on its platform to a lower quality deal with the sudden increase in internet traffic. And finally now the company has decided to remove this restriction to a certain degree. While earlier this year one could only watch videos on YouTube at 480p resolution, YouTube has finally brought back the option of 1080p after 3 whole months. The YouTube application on Android and iOS device will now allow users to switch between 1080p and 480p. However, this is only possible if the device is connected to a Wi-Fi network. The fifth news is coming from Instagram. Instagram confirmed that they are preparing to soon launch the TikTok competitor known as Reels in the US. The company expects to bring the new video feature, which is designed specifically for short-form creative content, to its platform in early August. The US launch comes shortly after Reels' arrival in India this month. Following a ban of TikTok in the market, Reels has also been tested in Brazil, France and Germany. The sixth and the final news is coming from Asus. Asus ROG Phone 3 is around the corner as its official debut is slated to take place on July 22 in India. Previously, the smartphone was shown off by its TINA listing and an e-commerce website, but both were underwhelming and not clear enough. Even Blast has now shared a full render of ROG Phone 3 that shows the smartphone design in its entirety. And by the look of it, ROG 3 is more refined than ROG Phone 2, although the design is still very familiar and includes over-the-top frills to highlight it is a gaming smartphone. So that is all for today's tech news. I'll come with more interesting tech news on Tuesday. If you like this video, then give this video a thumbs up and please support us by subscribing to Phone Politics. Please leave your thought about the video on the comment section below and follow us on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.